Helo, Mair dwi, a dwi eisiau helpu chi gyda uned 5. By this point in the course, you can build so many sentences, but maybe you just want to siarad gyda ffrind yn y dosbarth and ask what they did over the weekend or last week. This work will be introduced fully in uned 9 I 11. But for the time being, concentrate on the following. In uned 5, we're learning how to talk about things we've done in the past and how to ask others what they've been up to. What did you do? Beth nes ti? What did you do yesterday? Beth nes ti ddo? And to answer, gwnes I. I did. I'll give you a prompt to ask the questions to me. Ddo. Gwnes I ginio ddo? Neithiwr. Gwnes I swper neithiwr? Now, it's your turn to answer. Beth nes ti ddo? Da iawn. You will hear 2 different ways of the concise past tense, gorffennol cryno, being expressed. We've already looked at gwnes I ginio, gwnes I yrru, gwnes I ddarllen. But you can squash all of that together. Let's look at the details for a bit. There's some rules, You add ice to the stem, bone, stem of the verb to speak about yourself in the past tense. But how will you know what the stem of the verb is? Here are some pointers. Rhif 1. Drop the final vowel sound. Gwrandewch. Golchi, golchais I. Bwyta, bwytais I. Rhif 2. Drop the final vowel sound where there is an E-O at the end. Gwrandewch. Ymlacio, ymlaciais I. Ffonio, ffoniais I. Rhif 3. Add the endings to the verb itself. Edrych, edrychais I. Darllen, darllenais I. Note that aros is a little different. Aros, arhosais I. Beth am ymarfer? Let's practice. So, for example, golchi, golchais I. Ffonio, ffoniais I. Darllen, darllenais I. Aros, arhosais I. Bwyta, bwytais I. Da iawn. I hope that little overview helped you a little with uned 5, and I hope that this unit has given you the tools to siarad more Cymraeg yn y dosbarth a tu fas y dosbarth. Look at uned 5 in the course book and check out our online resources. Pob lwc!